Soko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheito ibere chia Gusii ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyare ko batokogenda ase bali bali chinsemo chire isiko ya Gusii ase chinsemo bune chia Nakuru mwanchu murigereri elitonyare ko batokwa omugusio ora sensemo ya Nakuru libaga elianyare ko bakoigwewa na nene mono ntonyare ko batogo so ase chinsemo Childoret no mugusio ore ase chinsemo Childoret nenyare ko bakoigwewa mwanchu murigereri ntonyare ko batokogenda ase bali barasa amasamba bune chinsemo chia Molo aliaso mugusiyare enuletie tunyare ko batoko ireke gusiyoro no musiyanyare ko bagakoigwegwa asenjera enkeranu chinsemo chia Mombasa tunyare ko batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyare ko bagakoigwegwa asenjera enkeranu aiga omwanchu murigereria segeta senigia Soko TV no botochi ko batogokora ige korugeito tunyare ko batogekora asenjera bwenerete mwanchu murigereri aiga ntokoreri bina nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino mwanchu murigereri
Tomuche gutengere mirobere itu yogosemia na gukumenya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu beandrete chinga kichons asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengari butari numubwekano Eye nen Soko TV oboroso bumugusi umuruburi kubwatia na bukorigeregwa na Kyomoto
Mwanchumu rigale bwen Soko TV mambiende ngia aseri tukerigari komi na kabere omotie nyino yo gatano mwaka bwe chilefu ibere merongebera na gatano na rimungu kwani kurandonsi asore emambia yabono nukugena kwane wabokire bya kwagendere bya asemere muyaga subunchiroria asori ole ase esabari nabo igono gendera tukubwatia Soko TV kurwa chinsa 12 cheke mambia gwekera borigana ne chiarage chinsa inye chiabono mambe chi Afrika ya mochire chide kenkego chia etrigoro asoko sanga sobwamo asomurubiro yega bwetero bini gweka chinsa isana ne mochi abono mubaseri kurigere na kumurikira ya gendera tokorekana ya etire wigo ayarache kubwate tsanga sobwamo wetera senchera yo mutanda wekerero Facebook nabaga sesemu ya YouTube en Soko TV namba ya mawasiliano ase ujumbe yage nyinge na mona eyo guchigo tumeke tuchigo so ase nkwani etemambia bono aso kumurikira yage ndre teme yense na mono ase county ya Nyamira no yo korigekergo kyobo wakilishi osekergo kyabangina osaba subati kura se county ya Nyamira umanyekene munanere meri nyakirario na turachiko sanganere aso bwagare mambia bono eri gukwanira ayage ndre tukura se county ya Nyamira nabo yo kumurikira ayage ndre teme yense emambia yabone namba nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano ne mumara gatano omwerio beka isato eritariane Ishmael Mogere Asomo chakare mambia bono ensi ya Kenya niganyoreri bagario kwarigania egeikaro kya Africa Forward Summit ekyokagenderete mambia ya bono asomo raibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto agenderete kurwa enkwana yaye egekarekega nigo kyabaretiramo abarai nabo bwatani bechinse emeronge 3 abwase amangana bwatikaine no bwagachi obochenu onabo asense meria yobwonchereri na asense moyenda mangana bwatikaine no boremi na none nabasaye nemirimo negati aria arachiko kwanirwa subwagare aseri tukeriga lya kabira ya maseyemo goika asensemeyo ya kabire elitorigeri na nara lyaya agendera tukuru asensemeyo muraibwense nero gendrete kurwa enkwana ya mambia bono
modern infrastructure, innovation and strategic investment partnerships. Green industrialization presents our continent with an opportunity not only to contribute meaningfully to global climate solutions but also to create jobs, expand manufacturing capacity, strengthen exports, deepen regional value chains, and accelerate structural economic transformation. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, perhaps Africa's greatest strategic asset is its people. This demographic and the demographic reality that it presents will profoundly shape the future of labor markets, the future of technology, urbanization, consumption, innovation, and of course, economic growth Our youth population is not a burden to be managed. It is an extraordinary strategic advantage to be invested in. But demographic potential does not automatically become demographic power. It must be deliberately cultivated by education, skills development, research, digital inclusion, entrepreneurship, and technological innovation. We must equip Africa's young people, not merely to seek jobs, but to create enterprise, build technologies, drive industrial transformation, and lead the next frontier of artificial intelligence and digital innovation. And across our continent, this transformation is already underway. From Nairobi to Lagos, from Kigali to Cape Town, young Africans are redefining finance through fintech, transforming agriculture through technology, expanding digital commerce, building globally competitive startups, and creating solutions capable of shaping industries far beyond our borders. What they require is access. Access to quality education, access to digital infrastructure, access to affordable capital, access to markets, and of course, they will create the opportunities necessary. Ladies and gentlemen, none of these ambitions can be fully realized without peace, stability, and effective multilateral cooperation. Peace, security, and development remain inseparable foundations of sustainable progress. Yet across parts of Africa and beyond, protracted conflicts, violent extremism, unconstitutional changes of government, terrorism, organized crime, and climate-related insecurity continue to undermine stability, weaken institutions, and constrain economic advancement. Current estimates indicate that Africa accounts for nearly 40% of active armed conflict globally and close to half of all internal displacements worldwide. These figures underscore both the scale but also the urgency of the challenges confronting our continent. We must therefore reaffirm our collective support for African-led peace and security mechanisms, including the Africa Union Peace and Security Architecture, predictable financing, institutional capacity, and international cooperation in support of lasting peace. But lasting peace cannot be secured through military response alone. Peace requires confronting the structural drivers of instability: poverty, exclusion, unemployment, inequality, weak institutions, climate vulnerability, and the absence of economic opportunity, particularly for young people. That is why strengthening Africa's strategic autonomy in matters of peace and security remains an imperative. And it is why we reiterate with clarity and conviction the urgent necessity of reforming global peace and security governance, particularly the United Nations Security Council. It is both indispensable and unconscionable that a continent of nearly 1.5 billion people, represented by 54 sovereign states and constituting one of the largest blocs within the United Nations, continues to remain excluded from permanent representation on the Security Council. Such inequality, ladies and gentlemen, such inequality erodes legitimacy, undermines credibility, and diminishes confidence in multilateral systems itself. No global governance architecture can credibly claim to be democratic, to be representative, to be just, or fit for purpose, while a substantial part of humanity remains absent from the table where the world's most consequential decisions are made. The time has come, therefore, for the international community to recognize without ambiguity or without delay that Africa cannot and will not and must not remain subject to decisions taken without its equal voice on the table. The reform of the Security Council is not merely an institutional adjustment. It is a moral obligation. It is a strategic necessity. It is indispensable to restoring trust, legitimacy, and confidence in the international order itself. Kenya, therefore, remains steadfast in its support for the common African position as articulated in the Ezulwini Consensus and the Sirte Declaration, which calls for Africa to be accorded permanent representation on the Security Council with all the prerogatives and privileges of permanent membership, alongside additional non-permanent seats. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Africa does not need privilege, but fairness. We don't need exclusion, but inclusion. We do not seek confrontation, but partnership anchored on mutual respect, shared responsibility, and of course, shared progress. This summit, therefore, presents us with an opportunity to define a new era of engagement between Africa and its partners, an era based not on dependency, but on dignity, not on extraction, but on value creation, and not on short-term transactions, but on long-term shared prosperity. Because the Africa we envision is an Africa of confidence, an Africa of ideas, an Africa of innovation, an Africa of enterprise, an Africa that believes in itself, invests in its people, mobilizes its own resources, and engages the world as an equal partner in shaping balanced, prosperous, and peaceful global future. Africa is rising, determined to shape its own destiny, and increasingly prepared to shape the future of the world itself. That is the Africa Forward agenda. An agenda grounded not on dependency, but in sovereignty, not in vulnerability, but in resilience, and not in limitation, but in possibility. That is the Africa whose time has come. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Kenya is deeply honored to co-host this summit here in Nairobi. We look forward to productive deliberations, practical outcomes, and enduring partnerships capable of advancing prosperity, stability, dignity, and shared progress for our people and for future generations. I thank you for your kind attention. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for the warm welcome and for reinforcing Africa's economic position today and the importance of partnerships such as the Africa-France partnership. Asante sana, Your Excellency. And now it's my profound honor to welcome to the stage our next speaker, who is also our co-convener. He's a global leader who has consistently championed international cooperation and a world of rules-based order, has been at the forefront of advancing dialogue on global economic reform and strategic partnerships between Africa and France. Please welcome to the stage His Excellency, Mr. Emmanuel Macron, President of the Republic of France. Bienvenue, Monsieur le Président.
Thank you so much. Mr. President, dear William, Your Majesty, Head of States and Governments, Secretary General of Permanent Commission of the African Union, Secretary General of Francophonie, ministers, ambassadors, entrepreneurs, ladies and gentlemen, Asante sana, Mr. President. and I will switch in French, if you allow me. Le président a tout dit. Et donc, je vais juste rajouter quelques convictions pour qu'ensuite on puisse passer à nos travaux. C'est un nouveau type de sommet, c'est une nouvelle philosophie, et donc nous allons aller au bout de cette philosophie. D'abord, ce sommet a commencé par des rencontres de la jeunesse, des entreprises, de la culture, du sport. Et d'ailleurs, nous allons juste après...
with the captains of industry with whom we'll be able to discuss things. But deep down, the conviction that I wanted to share with you is that the agenda that Africa and France need to have, the one that I stand for, must not look backwards, but just look straight ahead. As President Ruto just said, we need to keep our eyes ahead. And what I have been trying to do for 10 years now is to construct a relationship which looks backwards with lucidity, and we've been working with Cameroon, Rwanda, Algeria, and several other nations, and with which looks with bravery at the present, looking at our necessity of culture, activity, looking at co-development and co-investment, and which is built on respect for the fact that Africa has its own agenda. The relations between Africa and France, as we see it, as the way we want to implement, are built on
asense mwende gutigana nayo yege kare kyomo waziri wekegancha ekenene hime yense John Mbadi nigasangire na gukwanira egati yari arachikobao aso muswada w'ekibesa bwo mwaka w'ekilifu 2025 narimo ase omuswada oyo egati yari akwaniru nigo ebango yebirengo bya isano erachikobekwaroro ase chianga cha mitumba ebango asama chechiba nigo yarusigwe ase boigo ebango ere asense meria yekisimi nero yabekirensemo buno waziri John Mbadi akwerera asubwagari.
This, I have noticed, has been dropped out of the final bill that has come from the National Assembly. Of course, you know, the final bill comes from the National Assembly. But our proposal was to have it. And I still insist we should have it. There is miscommunication around this. Why? The Mitumba representatives of the Mitumba business community came to see me after seeking an appointment with me. And I met them together with my team at the National Treasury. They expressed frustrations with regards to the current taxation arrangement. Because when you bring in Mitumba into the country, there are taxes that you pay at the point of entry. And then you follow it through with more taxes down the lane, including income tax paid for by the Mitumba people or the Mitumba business people. They are saying it is cumbersome, fast, their line of business, the requirement of filing returns, and even engaging accountants to calculate how much profit they make so that they are taxed on that is too costly to them. Because they will be paying those accountants. There are KRA people chasing after them, asking them for payment. So they asked for a simplified tax system where they pay at the point of entry and no one comes again to demand for any taxes. That is why, apart from VAT, which is paid at source, at the point of entry, we agreed with them that for income tax, we deem 5% of custom value of imported goods, whether clothes or whatever it is, as profit. 5% as profit. And then we tax that 5% at 30% to give you 1.5%. And it becomes a final tax. No one chases these business people again for other taxes. This came from the Mitumba people. It was their request. And as an office and as a government that listens to public participation, to Kenyans, we believed that that was the right way to go. And that is the proposal that we took to the National Assembly, but unfortunately it has been dropped. But I still want to insist that that particular provision, we will recommend to Parliament to bring it back as an amendment, because it is addressing an industry problem. And before anyone criticizes this, they should engage the Mitumba people themselves. And saying that the Mitumba clothes will be more expensive is far from the truth. The truth is that if these Mitumba people were to pay taxes today, which they should, based on their income, they will be spending much more than deeming 5%, only 5% of their custom, the custom value of goods as profit and then taxing it at 30%. It is with their full backing and support. And you can ask the representatives, you can engage the representatives of Mitumba business. So it was not a way of us raising more money. There is no more money to raise. It was to address industry problem. And so even though it is not in the final bill, but we still believe from the National Treasury that that is an amendment that should be carried by the National Assembly. The other issue that has been flagged off is this issue of pay as you earn. We have not dropped that issue of pay as you earn. The changes that we had proposed and which I spoke widely about. What my team is doing is to do simulation. The first simulation was that we are going to lose income of about revenue of about 35 billion shillings per year. And we are looking at the economic situation as it is. And we are looking at the impact of personal income tax reforms that we have carried out at Kenya Revenue Authority. And before this public participation engagement ends, we are going to make a decision. As a matter of fact, we have agreed with the head of state that this is a matter that we are considering, as we had already communicated. So before 30th of June, before this bill is passed, the government is likely to propose amendments to align pay as you earn to the proposal that we had given the people of Kenya in terms of increasing the allowable income for tax purposes to 30,000 per month, up from 24,000. So it is not taken off the table. I could see some media is reporting that have backtracked. I have not backtracked. We are considering that very seriously, and before we conclude the finance bill of 2026, chances are that we are going to have the new tax rates on pay as you earn. The other issue was on the cards, the cards charges. Again, even with the current arrangement, let me explain it this way. This is not a tax that is going to be levied on consumers of financial services that are being offered by cards. Far from it. The financial institutions engage some professionals who come up with cards and
Asanse mwende muraiwe kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua rigamukire serikali asogotabeka byara na kubaimokeria egetambukiro kieri chiko abakagirwa abo bamwitite omo Reverend Julius Ndumia uyu itetwe ime kanise ime county ya Nakuru. Gachagua kwa na samatanga anyagusira Reverend Ndumia nsemo ye bunge ya tetwe county ya Nyeri niko boigwa mukire serikali asogosinyo kwena n'uburendi gukia asaba Kenya engana ya singirerwa igo n'abakwani bande ase abaikaranete ase omoyegoyo.
Mimi nataka niambie our parish ministers, we'll fight for the justice of your colleague. We'll shout from the rooftop until Mama Esther and her children and the church gets justice. A man is not a chicken. Mutu hapana kuku, hapana mbuzi, ati anauawa tu holela. Alafu mnaenda mnashika watu wawili wale walikuwa na simu yake na wenye kumuua bado kamatwa. Bona damu ya mchungaji imemwagika. Muko menawe sema chochote. Sasa ni siku 6 amenyamaza. IG amenyamaza. Why? Is the life of our reverend a lesser life? This is a great church. This is not just another ordinary Kenyan. It's a man of God. Why is government quiet? tumepata habari na Mheshimiwa Kimani Ngujiri umesema CCTV footage inaonesha wauaji wakiingia saa 7 wakitoka saa 10. DCI Nakuru are holding that video. Release it. Familia na kanisa na Wakenya waone, alafu muendelee na uchunguzi. Nakuru, Mheshimiwa Kimani Ngujiri, we have a serious security problem in Nakuru. Watu wanauawa kama kuku. Iko vijana 5 wamekuwa sodomized hapo Lanet. Iko watu wameuawa Nakuru. Na polisi wamewekwa pale, wote wametoka jamii moja. Hapa mlima yote jamii moja, OCS, OSPD. Kwa nini? Why are you deploying one community to be in charge of the police command in the Mount Kenya region and Nakuru? Nakuru watu hawalali. The insecurity in Nakuru is on another level. We are calling for a purge of the security chiefs in Nakuru so that we can have order and people can feel safe. These reverends, I have seen them here, our parish ministers, moderator. They are men and women in fear. Most of these parish ministers here are my friends. My personal friends I've known for many years and their families. More than 100 of our parish ministers have called me. They are scared. Are we safe? Our family is safe? That is the issue.
Reverend Dumia did not die a normal death. He was murdered. And indeed, this is a murder most foul. So we are here not just to stand with the family, with the church, but to demand for justice. And we say so because it is the cardinal duty of any government. First thing and the cardinal duty of any government is to ensure the security of its citizens and to ensure the security of the property of those citizens.
Ningetaka nilete rambirambi zangu kwa familia na kuomba Mungu aweze kumpatia nguvu na ususuani kwa sababu ya mawimbi ya kifo ambayo imempata. Kitabu cha Mithali 21:15 kinasema ya kwamba haki ikitekelezwa watu waovu ndio wanafadhaika, lakini watu wazuri huwa wanafurahi. Naona bango ambalo liko hapa ambalo linaomba haki. Na kwa sababu Waswahili husema kimebacho kikivunja ni nafuu kwa mchukuzi. Anayeongoza wizara ya usalama nadhani ndo anafanya wachukuzi pia wawe na nafasi rahisi, kwa sababu kama mchungaji ataenda hivi na tukose kuona majibu kamili, nadhani ujasiri wa magaidi utaendelea kuwa na kwenda juu na zaidi, na sisi tutakuja
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bw'umugusi magega ya televisioni Nsoko gwikasero yawo kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bokwenyuria ogukwa gose okwibonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke aseriguri liyakibusani turikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662. Obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire ko Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogo tindi asariri obongo bwabo. togokonya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yo gutindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikarwari kwanya oro yonde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yo gutindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima bwe
asamange twakirisimya se namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichiburio gukora chingatale ichiobutindu.
My name is Albert Omariba. I'm the principal of Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute is a government institution situated in Nyamira County. We admit our students as from Standard 8 to Form 4 across all departments. Our students receive help and capitation from the government, therefore there's no worry of the fee payment. And our students pass very well in all departments, and we are able to achieve 90% pass.
Ni kweli Kitwebe Technical Training Institute ni chuo ambacho bobea na kinatoa mafunzo katika kiwango cha diploma, certificate na artisan katika kozi zifuatazo: electrical and electronics engineering, building and civil engineering, fashion design, cosmetology, ICT, business management, water technology, hairdressing and beauty therapy, social work and community development, plumbing, welding, kati ya nyinginezo.
We are having a May intake 1-1. We have 8 departments, and we have the Center of Excellence in Fashion and Design. We are actually the best in this region. This region is Nyanza and Western. So we are welcoming students who can seek admission to undertake courses and training in our various departments. So welcome to this community and learn, get the skills, and then from there you can be self-employed or you can seek for employment. Thank you.
Vile tuna short courses za computer packages na German language. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Skills for self-reliance. Nabalibe chinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nye chinse Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemu, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu nende mwancho moriyo lye mambia yabono chidaika chiatigera agwi kombination choka chiraga chinsa isaro chabono mambia kara to swase semuyende yakabire mambia bono irikoligera na gukwanira yabwatire na siasa na magendero bosio bwo bochori bwo mwaka bwe chili fuibere 2025 na kabire yani no mwaka ogo chego limiti tukubara kurbono amangina rakonya go korekana gwikira boni ganto chiko kwandira na kurigereria na monase county ya Nyamira yo kuligekerugo kia bangina usikia basubati kurase county ya Nyamira na chiko kwanye mambia yabo bono nabo igasense moyene tuchukwanira ya bwatikaine no brai na siasa na magendero ase ense makiu jumla emambia ya bono tusanga sobwamo gwetera senchira yo mutandao gwekerera Facebook nabo igasense media YouTube Ensoko TV namba ya mawasiliano nigere notisano na ibere isano na isatu isano na isatu isano na mamara gatano mwero weka isatu na abuono gutuma ujumbe yage nyinga naboigo gwaka esimi gukwana no mweshimiwe mambia ya bono karibu sana imenye Ensoko TV kara sogeria ngomu ligererie mambie
mbie mono asukongaria ni gaiga abakwanire indira mo koba gaiga litkoya rero kurunyamira koba kwani semondi litkoru na enden korwa ngora yane kurunyamira tutaraenda gendo yonsi eso musike onyonka asogutuguta mamu mwabo terasia bantu banyamira sobwamo twatumire ngora yaito
Biemano se kubeko boroso na bwo kwanire igoro yengana yomo senate we county ya Kisii Onyonka uyo siringina abande mbare bagenda ali ase enkayaye nsemo ya utawala kurwe ngora mu governor we county ya Kisii abunongo chia tugochiko chakire mambia ya bono kwa igwo Onyonka goteba na bono manyete mu governor ngakinero wika kwaratu bachake ekamachiko bana siasa kidogo na bwo kwanira somo yega ule bosyiga asa matanga yomongina Teresia naro ukaigo masenate gagoteba na inche mangana siasa tino cha ukwanira siasa ya one term gose two term kulinda abantu bagoche ukwanira siasa yega asa matanga yaiga Babu Owino na Edwin Sifuna na ubuka bagoche gukwana mangana a siasa na kiora kwa negoro yengani njwe karato gocha kirororo na siasa labda nigera chene kigo soro gongorwa gusese nginchabara ina bange sana barache baikira noro
tiganse kenendake umuske Onyonka na atebe ndigyo gosekita atetenga umugabana ratu gocha kwa rabasoka abana siasa mabwata yabo no ndito wateba sesongo nga comic relievers no nekero ingetiere enkongu sana yabete koleta okosekake komeke moment ko bingusu na ine bange keresa matanga kuire neranga ngogochukukwana esa matanga tutamuna wanta mugali akachora Sifuna na Babu Owino kirinda igorine nkoro kierenga ngayi abegete kwasemeli kwa ikore na abegete kwasemeli kwa yesa abamurabu babere na murabu babere ngibakwana one time
na asense moyende twaraliro meta matanga nde siasa ngochire ya enekiwa buna bono ntwabwata matanga aria Olkalau ntwaroche matanga aria Murwadi Kir gocha aya mwino gaiga nkwaroche senator Medu ogoteba na tinkobwa okoteba murai wensena nchomo ene tinda kwa tinkobwa eti at the same time Rigathi Gachagua na kwa murai wensena kwana and of course asorongo rwagusienga kienga bune yeiga keraturuchi asobo cholyo bone no mwana weliro banara iga nkwaro chemba chita senkeria matiangyo kora abarai bande babo samungire bago kwana goche babo Chris bako mochigo enkwana yabe ko mochikwana ni nkwana yo kuorokina asinare turuchi gochi asorongo rwagusi na kiwo sera chene kiwasa matanga
tiancha kireiga ngwa kiranda abagambi bonsi abarai bonsi bagusi congratulations kongole zangu yakogera matanga yana tubegete tukabika siasa itokando tatebeti ngole one term ngole two term 20p tukaroka naro kinegento tutugeta kire gatebwe ekerekerekia tatebit nentekia sombarwe kantaro toche Tochinkyo liro bali yakwanete na bali mande bachieto nkoro kierenga estogenderete guchi na itogenderete nkona gocha tulinka na into tochi mune committee amo osira umano minto kusira tore matianga nonye na arati ngenjondoche atebete onyonde gako egwe gako eguli bagaliri gochigokora ki koraenze umuntu otamwakere garabe bali bono lende torochia yese gendrete koba and I support that
gemeretina etiquette ya inaro yoka eganyire abekirwe gutweyo asense moya yendo yokurukuna nera Anthony Kibagendi oyo no mubunge nota nigagoteba naki asobochori boli bosyo nigonga sobe statement yibure bunere agoteba na ajas chiasparant chonsi pia sobochori boli bosyo gaiga ekiama nekemo na bonsi pina keroyomo aba affiliated ni kiama kiria ya Daktari Fred Matiang'i na ayo monyene nkubuli olekero gekiga kyubo wakilishi bwabangina na of course abane barawatebana esuti yaya esuti nengiya esuti nembe so kero mona bwate ekerengerero kiaye engana ya Anthony Kibagendi mubunge okututi chache South
esabone gatorochi ekiamane kiro muntu matianga atakera support nanjengo mo support nge is that was in a suit study suit I think we'll get ntotambo ke roche gatura ikaro lakini sabone ganjubili ikiama kere lakini roche nkona kogendera bale gukwana ngogotena our prayer is matianga koleki ayewe lakini na unlikely event batena matianga ta ko which I also doubt nabona nyore to kotebunga pone sengencho matianga ayiro bo Jubilee tiato koleki tiato support ko Rusions Jubilee but igorogali onye to wakero monto mwao lakini ugo sabagwa ito matianga yegwekerwe kelike igoro
na sebiro gebyo ingana Yesu tukorogoro mbaka inse
tiantebeiga nintebe nende yayo
impact kira chiko twara
zoning tutakiri wekererwa matekera otebe ngesu tukuru pakanse igorende will kill democracy in a way tigato igore bya mabyonsi biteni abantu bachole abantu bawonchi agenda lakini ende to inyorenga matiangina atakira nywara aba soldiers igara ali parliament juta ko nyawo kora gasi nyento maitiki abasigali bawuchwete miswada zoning table igorukiro montao manifesto yayo to ko encourage abantu support mate
na sense meyega yobra yekera to koyeriria subwagara bari bale batakata mbatagitikurwa obisi unganchire nchake kurwa sense meria abagavana asenkwana y'abagavana abange abagavana bara bakorera kero kelibale asentunda yabo ya kabere y'oburai ekero baruchi guchigokora okuigwa nabona nandi bachakire ose bachakire ko banigange ngao yokori y'oburai nekero kelibagana iti labda naroraga nikora nabakaso bwo MP oyo ndachigo cha kurunyona na sobo senator lakini muswara noraria okunya koligererwa no muswara nigo kaniti bono guchikwa bekere bitango konye kurumo governor gwakora ni nobrai bwa sentunda ya kabere genda nka gochiete tigana mangana yokwera na gocha nandi uchikoboria obo senator muswado yuske mutwe gose otigalera bwa
tigo muswado yuske mutwe asekingo tebe boyigo nduwa chitams chobu president bakwa ni chitamurenga ibere etige bana chiagenderenga already tige bana za already like presidents down there they call your excellency wona kibako your excellency baje ko ku senator
manda goboni katari uma senator
lakini ngotenga tigo muswado yokoreki osuke mutu tigo suke mutwe na baru bakoreki yani bakwerenga bono koende ko bo senator ne nyomba yogo chigokoreki ku retire that was not what the constitution
bagota bo retire kama mzee vono kama mzee
na kito
upper house
na kibatara nyara ko put governors on check you babwete nganya bakwenda baritaye basundoke unge ubo senator mutekera abantu bechinguru teriga bakoli gucyanire bamusiko cyari bachikori tayirarari in fact tigo muswadi yo ende mutu totebe wakoli go savu gali that's the highest you can get bona the only thing itigalite ogende no president bo senator yeah
na asense mo yebirugebi gabyonsi pia kerobiria tokoligereria ngakiende nere kwegwete kirage yate tokotebana na bakini yone ngo 7 years go chimoino sifuna naira nagatebana ebintu bya kirage byonsi pia stayo bigoche byagenda guchia go sa stayo bigoche byatambuka byagenda yone kerengo kende kolinde na mangana gocha asiasa hapa na pale ekero turuchi asobochore buri mutwega referendum nere iganiri kwenye gukwanirwa and of course ekatibe kolirwa mu nchiriri gocha na musale Mudavadi sama tukabwango iga so kero twarukuru mwaka ratetena nerebya umwaka ugocha kero kiri obochori bokorekana and of course obochori bokorekane na boigo na monchuri geta ase ipengere bite bye katiba igure ngani ywengi makokorera nyone katiba monchuri ya 7 tugete bike matekero kiri abwato monyene no manyete na nkera seri chiko gose nke ya seri chiko korere katiba monchuri
tochakere ya mangana chirage chirage
Samson chirage
for sure bintago chaka butamba kwa ngina ki this is the best that they are oine roba rochi people takira cho rukure se sobo gali number 1 ikiyogo mente miaka hiyo ni ndoto ya mchana eti ya presidential candidates hiyo ni ndoto ya mchana in fact even anything tutakire tweke katikati na miaka ni still lazima amalize term by the way hata kile kwa story gelio president wani katikati warange say kile impeachment is very strong because kuna hiyo bagwikaranza bati makabono tuwacholi batoburukanye
lakini umete nyone na rere gochoruo oborai ngocha bole bwa bwansu sana yaikirana yani mutare comment emia kinege gero kuri entunda yaka rugwe guna na ndo gende yaga tukogenderera So moko muchando kiorora kero kirio komentu emiaka singe nchibono burai bwabiro bwansu no gani tikogendera kora.
Ninkwire ni guche country ya Uganda. Kero Museveni achore to 1986. I was a little girl. But now I'm looking at as a history.
Na nenda yagotianiwa.
Kera chore tu. Igatebe to obokon bwabantu ba Africa. Nechi president it's overstaying in power. No kubuta paka moita nyegeka. No maitento bwate te ango chore graph ke growth ngega kwandi gyogokina. Ke ukine. Tigerli. Geke plateau. E plateau ne ria mesa igorali. Kyanga okaraki. Utirimboka. Kia tirimboka yakoraki. Kiakwa. Kero kia gwe productivity. Yani matokeo teyo. Hakuna kuza most of these people batagete ba mentor miaka. Already say graph they already at the plateau. In fact, bangira okaraki. Utirimboka. So ba mentor miaka bagendara. Na hiyo ndo yo kwateba whatever yonde mula. Chirage kwanza very unproductive guy. Cause misoda go itia ese graph kia is already panongere kutirimboka. Kwateba ngaba mentor miaka ba change they already declining. Wano kibara goja ku produce you already bangire go decline. Take over no ini Mudavadi kwanza officially it's unconstitutional. Go push gali it's out of selfish reasons. Maybe for some reason you thought take office then it's okay we can call for a referendum. Tote ebe go sento yetagete ebaro. Because even tombiri be call for referendum. That one is one of them. It's unconstitutional officially.
Okay.
Yes.
Nkwiranie asege karokendrete mambia ya bono asumuchuyo Nairobi ensi ya Kenya nyole ribagalio ko host ekurukwa na Africa Forward Summit yuagendrete murayo France murayo Senegal na barayibande mbale bayikiranira asege kalikiga whereby more than 30 leaders bagani rigocha and of course ngocha barabatu ma representatives babo asege kalikiga for a very long time murayi obono oroka nikoba omurayi oberiga ko ryobwa matubya ne chinse chinde asiga chinse chiri atarera sorongo rwa Africa che chinse chinyinge mono ochire
at least ngora bali choteli chetu jakoraki chianyora abateja. That's a good thing. Pia naboto showcase ibintu binde tobwate tokubahoroki tubahoroki ntobwate chinda switch to chigocha ntobwate abaminyoki baito ibintu nebinge Kenya yakolibye. That's a plus. Yende pia netu aresranga ntutakirto koleke neke nyemo goto emesara to gusika bucharo it's okay. Munaro chintwa ntweteti was it 11 agreement yabete send. Uyo ndaga aga pledge ngoto ali 130 billion. Chiko gendase obolemi chiko endase aviation chindege. Pia kwa make Pride of Africa Kenya Airways maybe improve ntoko koraki ntoko waka na chile sto waka na manto bagenda bati Kenya Airways bagenda Ethiopian Airways. It's something good. Upgraded. Pia cost chinsense because at times when I use Ethiopian Air or Rwanda Air I feel bad ngatinya to go promote the Pride of Africa because at times ntoko nyarwa afford no into Kenya. Why? Because ntorekera that level. Unye chibe se chi kwenda uchi aviation ba tebet. Chinde chi enda into manufacturing. Nero chi president yota ankora story chi computer tebet go sene chi
to manufacture chi simi.
Ne chi computer. Tinda rest to manufacture but ngo assemble to. Ngo letter duringa unola ratru ke kombe ko letter weke to koreki. To bwatereni. Unye to uchi increase paka to manufacture buna tebet. It's a good thing. But even ni hot here to kwana to arosi obu amate kuchia to arosi obond potali go suka then it's counterproductive. Yeah, but I'm praying those 11 things about saying it I support.
Na wekeraboni gekero to kurigererio bwa matobo iga so far so good. Asinse chiri chonsi bitu abere to kubwaterana na kubekese iyo kubwaterana. Mbuya kigose bwa chiri wekeraboni omo Kenya ratabuna maeteliri na chete Israel dina muraiwe sa chete Italy muraiwe na chete China akagenda US wekeraboni iga ekeneke amatunda ena araya wetrase esabali yega asinge ncho bado abakenya bakunya kurana ubugima nkonya okonga bore kurulitikeri mu kuchiase elinde
kiti tinda manya tinda itinkwanen from a point of lack of information lakini na chitegusi agateba nkwenda Italy ngoro chimtubiria promise tugusi narari na Nyamira binte binge torosiki njara para ya kianu kia motemo mwamu and tobwati university will come to university later nara mangana ali kiringo ko bolinde later na kwarori aka promise binte binge tukabeka magena aliogo foundation ya magena liyogo chake
Ligena lioboroso.
Lioboroso tukabeke bintebing agateba nko enda rali
Italy achikora 1 billion
aha alafu tokoleki toroseli maybe we need also to be told nga kera achaire ngacha na chiro keti bona kina tebe timbu at information bu maybe monkonye maybe na so this campaign mo nyebire monkonye gonte ire nga arweta na chiro chitali
bado mbarabeka mangana teneni
Pono lini na aya ntu promise tu. Ntu promise tu ya chita America. Ntu promise tu ka kile nta kerende bayire na batha nga ki buna liwo president ya tebeti. Emeso muna cheta akagamba n'abantu ba America akagamba n'abantu ba Italy akagamba na Macron iyo bukima tu anyoli koro na obo isaine bogo su project yi neye. Krechi achire the public should be able to know. Na ito comment.
Nase ense muyende kero keria tukunya kuligereria ayaiga onsi ntubwate ngana abwasi chinkwane chige kero keri tukuligereria ntwara uchomurai o France no kugikwanira sinini murai o France ngana nera igoma itekero murai yagukwana abakenya banale konya gotebana 1 term 2 term ngento kinga bunekyo murai o France ngwaro uche kera atatemete gukwana iga abange batena bono baminta abakenya bali bachieta ali mbatu sariti ya maskani because kero keri presentation yare gokorekana egatukana na abakenya konya bachakire na intunda neya mo bakumurayo France agacha gutenena akagenda gatebana yaya ukono kuborwa kwa maskani
na keroche nkarano bosoku twa ntoma hitkobrukani yake
tukweretera
ntwereterete lakini nkiego gotebi abakenya ba baisanikire barosire nyuma itena bokuireke munyu na kugeito no kugesukuma uchia kono na kugeita kerege kire level yokorosa nkiokora yekwara bono that shows you nga yaba Kenya baikire paka gatena ngasoka longa sinkulire iti bikoro hali ngasoka liya kwatina I mean what's happening here koraki irangora tugasoka lakini pone as a president kanga nere ndenkanya kolere ndo nga self audit nyindi imbuli internalenge darling internalingu mwanchwa kwa bakenya 5 years ago 3 years ago no 2 years ago ndi mbra yange tukutoita ngajoba kumbwa chakerete that was not so good obo so kumbwa betaro
ekero kurigereria abo kero keria kimon kigotoigorere gesieri kende kero kuria ndigo kuda mini polls mini polls echiga nigo chigo chechia batangani sana yache yatebana bono wikera boni iga Mary Nyakirario ekero tuko swase county ya Kisii asubu wakilishi bwabangina Nyamira no Kisii korene Nyamira na rotangaine asokuri kero ke policy orokyo karo 36% usino muraibu ense labda na rotangina se county ya Kisii ose Nyamira gocha na baibira no yoiga mini poli yiga egworokiana bado muraibu ense na are mutwe na bwe kwatebire se na araganire kwebule magulina nkayigo sembre yiga yachagite kumutwira na magina mini policy chiga no kungaine lera kubeka lera igani gore 42 no chokane
nje yarambekire ngore kwanira ndi mawuche ya president for a very long time yarambekire ntangene kuru Nyamira kera nkore kubekwa ali Facebook kwagenda gwa vote bunego vote increase number ali sokaraki okorora ntobwate skewedness yani of polls ndiro para deciding bari koboli okay Facebook maitene bwata abantu bose keunga kebogorya and from
part kana nyo kale Mombasa nere peke kwa
lakini abangota batikere batworokinga naiba chikora kicho akukoro buna bono tebe nchi yakubaringo obviously na bikweka Ruto mutu onye oche ari kitutu masaba magombo nabankonya 90% or even 100 but lende mbatakere batworoki ngaichi akukoro nje cyane chinkora ngotangana okora chibekira ali Facebook wa click na wa click barora
so far so good tuira na county ya Nyamira chiriche ground bona boronge
echi ground nimeshika lende lakini mwate bankwanire cyane wesenda
yakwa echi akara kwanire cyagaye
echiane akina abantu baruri agenda ngocha nere na abatebe nje tikwande chikoli gas gas inkoliki esenyo umusuko bwenkoro nsukirine nenkoro gochenchi Nyamira nende mororekera bangere libaganga Nyamira nesukeu so polls yokora chirekire gali most of the time atati ni komanyo monta kondangelinga honorable rango babikira polls gali Facebook you are leading what is the secret mbatenga they've listened to me nene ngo bakira mbanyo kwanza ensoko mwangeire a platform kwa na resera abantu nginda kere nkole tuasoire ground twangire kuumira na bangina tukubaresera ngora ngitokora twangire kumira ne vijana tukubaresera ngora ngitokora abantu bamenyete na disabilities abatakanu abaswati bakwerere twabayeresere ngora ntura ikesi takere toike lakini twabayeresere bangire koranga we are moving from kwa uchi handout kwa somi winga kibakuruba junza kwa insurero murari nabokuri ensi mambitoka nyora but inza kwa endobi endobi nkire nabongo ande nkoro kinya okaenda kuchali naboko nyara kuruba nabo akoenda gokonya inere approach
lakini wikira boni gasoro rwa gusi siasa yoko ena na masakara gose koso yomo kobokomo buko nero ebuchite mono
okasera ande ekina ndi narage kwanira ekira toko sera abantu bakisi monyabire ekira moto ko sera tutetu aseri mwa agenda zaidi agenda ko sera elia ko sera okorera abantu batini para ya matobe amatoba igete amagoro ibitarenge igoro but bako ibweli
bakoraye rukabona ni gotene ne mugondo
ni mugondo ekira bagosera what does that mean morally okubutulire para yao kwa bikiro muko okubutulire school yale korosi kuchicho abana baitomba nyora marwires bago batayiko nyora good place for living themselves kwa ibekere muno okubutulire amarioga ali mamo minata kere akonywe kera igure bobi kwa bikire gege nere sustainable abantu baitonta kere bakwanira muno nara kwa neza agenda terere bweka but politicians n'abantu baitwali bagwa kuchukura
kuna civic education eyo etaiya sabangi
civic education kwara yankora lindo kwenda a meeting wakwana kwenda bamakwana na morai na bugwa tutigaiga na kibono gwa tutiga
korabune mechiende
so tonya ndo korabune mechiende ndoko nyara usikinyamira jutimbu atibese ngo kosera I'll go to the bank mbatina na bikire nyumba yane on what on security na 10 million na 20 million ebente ninira njemba ser kirango so bunge ngora akani nyumba yana abana banya ikorara
umwako motangane no mwako kabere urarera ni kwanza
nde siku nyumba yana
yebono
so ngakitogo suka
kawoche kuna no mwako gatatu bono
mwako gatatu nde mbatina ki na achire meri umegiro uchi
matene chibesa kwa nyanko limbona na achire
bono na achire nkina nde tumakoroka na media togusuka sukie bintu kakitutagusuka kurwesa gosera tutagusuka kurwesa wasana liye country raso kumetu America ne chi country chietare wananchi na ubago changeraki e president akorereki campaign bago tegerere manifesto yao bayancha bago konya ochiko ku implement ki manifesto
aiganka kokokora bo ogotebuna gwachakire guchoga
talibo
omo Kenya okuno kumoibera no kumoliangi
bono ngekiro kitaraskwe roje there is a lot to be done. There is civic education etakera koreki ekorwe abantu baitwa manyanga kwa seroko country tego kina
twina nona semini Paul egwa kwanira nsemo yago bono kwanira abarai bandi bono
the whole of Kenya usabanye
bono twina nasomura ibwense
mumura yense gaki
min Paul baron kora kera na baro na rigo
irenga bakubeka irenga beke latest 40 na roje
ne rigole
we need to know about the respondents bali baira niretiki nabana bachita bakabuli alisobo sugoi it's okay sugoi ko ira niliboigo it's okay but again tutakire batenga mbarabi bakoleteki bakunetu mbarabi there's something research gekorukunga viability of data and testability nyali kwira na magega o test data yebenga na really true which most of us we don't
okay ase karo ke to nrato kwanira yo ekwora kino mwaka 2027 nigera chinyari kanebe na noro mwaka campaign go chikoba the most expensive ekerekeria mangana ayaiga yogosera arime nincho kwa data ya gwikira boni ngabune kworokia tuchakira se kirugo kyobo senator nige kworokia na so mwaka wa 2027 ilikwira chikura se kirugo kyobo senator nigora chigutumeka approximately 43.3 million abuna se kirugo kyobo senator tocha se kirugo kyobo kwa klishi babangina wikochi gotumeka 22.3 million abona asekero keria kiabangina tocha sekero kyobo jumbe and of course igani gokere minimum ya 13.2 million of course 2020 kichba sechinchi akinetake lakini for now babekete 13.2 million igo iminetina konye gokoligia konye gokwebanga kara enshwana tubwatinse ya igabo togera so MCA nige kworkiana gwiko tuare at least 4.6 million abuna se obu MCA elio manya okore campaign nabo igo koira ekero gekyo. So 2027 na bena nyarikane chikuba the most expensive campaign ekero kirio combine data yonsi.
What do I say?
Chakere kiago.
Ekiane 22.3 million.
I know what anyway.
Bese timbuati. Lakini my campaigns are different. Mbodi ya different.
Okay.
My campaigns are different. My campaigns are different because tindiko genda ali singenjo na te mangol gigas. Singenjo mbwate amarra manena nyamira. Aina ngere ko eresa. Na eresera bali. Na eresere everyone. So everyone who buys to this kind of amarra mbwate ondibwenso ko yanchera. Aya antenga marombwata na mananya mira na bago support without using tinyar go tumia chibese ni best timbwati naende chi campaign chane ni mogo mfanda na kimogo mfanda ngoko tenga nko endande my former school alisa na somete primary ngire pads nkwana na abana bali mba inspire that anything is possible in this life ekere kwerure okoraki kokora na kwegena iniwa stand out yao. Then you call me and tell me na so amete school weyo sencho umeshimota tukandaro tianko le 10 packets of pads nkwenda ande I'm trying to look for the forest nkwenda ande mongoris nintagete nikaro ndosi chi reflector jacket echi our bantu baitu boda bagutumia for safety na pia chini ale kondorekan visibility kwa mbolire ngaya ya 150 tiyanko gulire emi. So the kind of campaign singo kora ni
kwa ndeke nyorogete no bwata chi reflect at least temia iko cyara kabire bali bako baranyole
ni mogo mfanda because nyanko rusi 22.3 million naende kan mwandu siriga ese life yomo woman rep miake yon star matanga taru anything takonyora tago save no even
umushara w'umuwakilishi wabangina
nchena arigere irengore
ekionko bole singi chinayo kolige
yakogera ngitindige tumushara na kingo tetima ngitana kikubo irengore ngitini mushara nguchera
lakini bora rende kwa kolige mereme yega use guikanayo gani kumanyana ki omwari womutie nyirenga ngo chakonyora so that nainchigali anebe etwara mafuta na lyo gwikira abantu
encheni mangete amafuta ngobekerwa ne serikali kwa ndo rwa take mileage woni mete my car is taken care of kango chakorra abantu bare banya kiuri kango chakorra abantu ba nyamaya kango enda korra abantu ba mawawa kango enda korra abantu I'm trying to touch all the mbaro ambibete kango enda korra abantu ba borra bumanga gosa kango enda korra abantu ba itibo gose gali rigo magosega chupa amagutana mbekere ni government because ega singo kora ni government about umushahara na otenda umushahara nguchi kuligia ncheno musukyo ime lakini ndamanya ritenga bagwakana umatende wa apply gas sinjo ogeto umushahara kwa change chigas I used to work attend to calling again how many dollars they paying irenga kuri singo nkolire ngwa uchikomenta kwa magosoka lakini timanye tirenga chiwako no
ikiganche kerikya kerekyo irenga kegocha kyaigwa so mwaka kiangafu
Kiangafu, I've been looking at it. It's between 7 to 9 million.
Okay. But so far so good. Akera kiri abawakilisha bangina bange akera kiri yokuri n'inchira babira gutumika kibese chiga and of course ngororenga kiende mu wakilishi bo bangina osokira atete kwenda na ebirugo guchia se bali bamenyete no barema abanda marangeti and all that ingana ya accountability nerebwa tumuchando monene ebese nige gucha yakuruma sana kura sensemo yago na kiucha kwa kina besa y'umunyamira teri gusira nabo gebese ngo yetumikore asinchira erengia nonyene shilingi tesira konende nabo ekoba accountable for
te ancha kerega nintemete kulikere data to bwate sa senyamira from ward to ward abantu bamenyete with disabilities abantu bara batakano abantu the vulnerable groups youths bali batakero gokonya young mothers many yani bali batakere bali group yeli yangafu most of the time ndo bwate data koletaki ekeranite kero botabwate data ekerante na totebunga bali na baba taken care of ntoma intiko sana bwa taken care usana ba shuli keretu. That's number 1. Number 2 ekerana roche tokurwa marangeti na nini na roche marangeti ne chitente na nini ti manyanga mbai karansi na abantu bakabatenga ine priority abantu ba
marangeti yana netwe ward ya kemera
ya kemera ndo chinkwaro cyo marali tima ityo sana abo baikaranse n'abantu ba kemera bakamatene mu musike jerusha gento tagetena na marangeti timangiti so tinta tuko judge na kingo kora differently nintake kuligie data each group each chance twakoraki twatebu ndogwachichi ward maronge vere ase county ya Nyamira nintake nyali data ya each and every group y'abantu alafu ntoi karansa na barobo tumanye priorities ninki emba itu barangeti lakini nendo barangeti na bako kwebisi alafu that is it na kibwa konya how sustainable ngaki ngarango nyanga sustainable seke gusi wante itu kwane kegusi kiyo but ndai sustainable seke gusi
bagaendera komenya nenda sengeka
ata umeshinda like how sustainable yuere kwa baira barangeti na kirange ko makonya again naende ngaki chikoma ko makonya nintake nkaransa na abantu baito tomanye ngaki ingi keta kerege konyu ke agendre koba mambi naende
ali ngente kiriya kwa kana nandi
kiererago nintake mboli ngaki abangina aba mutuku bakwerere babwate obokon kwa kana school fees kwa kana nki ngake tora akole talk about train on business talk about small grants go talk about revolving funds yo ngokwa emboliye ko ibora na tungina nilichibesa na go to the next person ntebo banking mota etemba kole usenta ke mota ke rimbaligilie other resources chirikorusi ko maybe bigger loans mokwere ngora na ndinga kimogo chigo guarantee na kimogo chigo tenrana manyoli chilonchinen ni mbengo deal na baro at that level tutu wali chi workshop to kwa eresanere na ndo mate once to agree chi budget will be open kiro montali kirili mate once mu wati budget ngango tumia 1 million ya se kinyorugia okay maybe 200,000 ise kinyoru tete esege water tete ya itibo Gachuba. Do you come from Gachuba? From Gachuba. You see kwa likire openly abantu mbabe easy koligeli se not boarding ngwate ebite echino chikwenda ase uchikoroski maybe common water points njaro setiku it's easy that way tell ko kama ambinga nchonga bangina gochamba banangeti maybe that's what they wanted I don't know maybe no ba taking priority itunto antu bakemera to barangeti bukendi boli kemera no bongi timanyiti
asanse ya public participation abara ya bange mbaligo cha baikira ni public participation okonyorana buna gwateba okonyorana na bogoche gwakore gento gete lakini liboli ndina inegente kwa bakorera nkorengana nayo monyene nukugani kwago gose ngwacha kwa baboli so abara ya bange nigo bagoche ba void gento kuna public participation na one of the reasons na saying inchona asing jotara kwa gento geta se word gete useke nyorogete bono goche kuobwa gocha sabanto igobana ni goche gamwa itigane committee yago igamwacha macha akore gento mamira gento kiro bekana ande uso muradio yo oika otuomera public participation nigo rache bwa kembuna kurasa nsemo yago gose no
public participation nebe important sana sababu priority sekebusi igento ndaro kerikia mana mona okugani kwane kwa mana mono ese kitutu masaba ali magombe senyiboire may not be abantu bamagombe nakiki batagete ekinda ekimagombe barata ke is not the same thing abantu ba esise ward batagete so onto takereto to ale public participation tolinga nkereki kere kya mana mono kitakerege koru kero bante ebiri tumana gwikaranza nechi timu kirindi gete kuri ward chonsi ko okolika kwana nkobe obosibwaki kwa Nyamira the face of Nyamira na every group is well represented alafu pia ntokuwa nechi leader no chichibesia nene chinke nkoego ntokuwa nene chi leader chinde governor eiro mateire gekabwike gemugiye chibesa ntokuwa nene governor tobeke ebirengereriamu kento kire tuwakwanire se enjoy world that let's come together and then we do zoning with the project ntona kuirora project the same one oye nakonga ngitoche ne governor natebe nge kenyorukia magombo kenyorukia nyachokocho ngetagete maybe water points wasinyita kere by small grants nabuto ko je governor tomuli governor particular nyale ko kava na into kave ichinde because yese chonse chire kuru serikali chikonye abantu bayi
elinde teba na ikwa launch mu robirgete umugabana rero cha kori launch bono na inda
ivo replication etoroche into kananzini chi governor. One of the aim takere kwenda Nyamira sinjo kuwaki na leaders babe amu. Moroche Nyamira tuwaruanire again and again. Senator mbalikulia ni isa serisa sang ne governor. Governor mbalikulia ni isa CMC chons na kitora Nyamira. Ntoto keto wekyo obo differences. Uwatana kuito kando. Tuikaranse for the greater good yaki. Nyamira. Ekero na akori project ya biringi yo stu obwatene governor ngogo shine Nyamira shines. Tirinche ngojo waki gekubanga I Mary Migiro muroche bindo na kole to te look at Nyamira we able ko tenga Nyamira yasukire to height ekogera a governor mo women rep oyonde senator na kitaka jago to oversight yakaruna ere nkindiri yaye champion chia chite tukabeka ama tukatebanga tiato sukeiga na litrasku Nyamira yetu
libo lindere rimo likogenda se ro ekego kuligia oya baekero kuligia kiombe kirikie sisi kiombe kirigi kurwani obokuru meyense chinga kinyingo ni ukego chakia chira aba governor asinge nchiyo kubona chibesa no butume kyobo bwe chibesa enga nogo cha somo auditor general nera kura sensemo yakara ku report chiri wachi kwiguna asensemo ye bunge gete besa gete ya tumigete igana iga besa nera iga karo kuligeri nyone chiri sit chae besa igwikira bone iga teri korrekana na kiya chitega tumekwa asensemo yabo wakilishi babangina oversight ya ino enchira mugo cha matumika chibesa ichiga because wekira bone iga nkwanya korora ku devolution yaga chagito mwako 2013 up to now nkwanya korora umuraibu abangina nyone wa mugo chiro goteguna ebesa ni iga isirete kurukunya ne chimilioni ibere gose chimilioni seto aso mwaka gete we chibesa se 2024 2025 so kurwa sensemo yino
tianda tebe tima chose baru chinga chibesa ichi abangina nka pocket man batwete nkego maite kiro mugaka ko iri pocket man teguna kubolinki kwa wakoraki watumia I don't know gosinga ki erenta na korana ona accountability eta na korangeligu turangiru totebenga this financial year 2024/2025 chibese tuete cho muswati Nyamira igo wechi angana iga to amargo to breakeli tokoreki torole ngakichi atumgete gocha tuanchira nenga kweli na onya yetu nkego na itokono before monga ende koraki momente chichinde you see once who are talking a chira and then you lobby for more na bakoranga ki ka kinchi atumagete I don't timangi tinki tutabuatereti okobwatiwa toeresere toro reporting ekibese chi akoreteki chi atumagete kose tore no ndo bekire muko chi emo ntuburinga ki obukurumi bono bwalinge nya Nyamira orkisi kaunti bese abaswati ngachi atumagete ekine ngentonka ite ngeta kereke keligerelibu kita kerigerigu onye accountability teyo pono ntokumanya no ngasi yakoliyo tokubanga that's the best yakoliyo yakora accountability teyo intake accountability
sekero zrada se omotimoko inse dakika ayemo ase obwango mono akero tokwanira mangana yo ya accountability nyone na sobo tumeki nkwenda se county ya Nairobi onomo oyonesa pasariza ngakia mona rekana sigete iga kagasti nyone ne birasi twesi ko borunga yarusi ko teba no matene kiganchikeri kiane no na rusia na ende school gete of course ibirasi bira bimiroro na inchere na upgrade ibirasi ebi na bekira ma byagachirwe ebinde paka bikaire ebinde bikaruswa mabati gokonya ebinyurime kwanda kolengana na kyo konyara kwa ikole county ya Nyamira naki magacho na rarororo kurwa somo wakilishi bwabangina bose ensemo ya ene lina inegasi yo mugavana no MC yo MP no MP go chiabo kogendera
I stand to be corrected na arorire orure chitent na arorire orure chitangi na arorire orure amarangeti onye wagachire birasi kakti tinda captured wele se report yayi maybe nero lakini maybe ntora yero
lakini abange bago chbaro ni gasi yo MP na baraya babande no nyaro kokora
nate banga budget yetu nanke kana te bachi besti do irene chinke lakini ntutakere pia tiringa senjo bono ngere 9 million ntakere nkaranze ngabon 9 million is 20 words no isa kuchibagerire ngechiko chinke sana karibu tiringa bono ntakere ntume ichirichonsi nkirego lakini nate ntakere pia go kolenta abarai bande governor ikiti governor pia contribute to the bigger project chi ejitota kere tokole egasi amo nene ngo sabana mongo mo governor mu Nyamira okoraki Ubote
bigger hat option ya wekera bone kana
yo mugavana timbuhete yo wako ngabangumuya
okay
oitokore gasi neto akitusukinyemire yetu mutu
all right ngwira na to kwanira yo asense moyende ya gatatu era nsoko chiburo so mugusibya bana so sanga tugendera to gusanga no kubwatia ya igonsi asabona tiango turarasi ubiri chiruka na nyuma guse chiruka nturane na yande amange asugo chirukwanira monobona amagendero asogwagare
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721511500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gusenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tuligigiga asengichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneri kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo betri haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo betri imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo betri hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na betri kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Betri ni Autobat.
Mrna nabalibe chinguru erikwe manya buna wata kuruchitane nye chinse Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kigekos kiamesa yamangana maya. Obulimira bw'essiro y'obunda bwense kulengeta linchira ndio sura krobulimi obiyoke enyoreri bagaria bene kwaigwa migirio chisemi nobosemia igirio bulimi bwekerero nechikoringa
asobolemi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mache
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
gaja konyana eyinsimegete nterangetia maraba ekonete konya gukina yo kamaraba konya kuyana nganya kwama buya
beka chibuti imokio bokombe tosemogondo bweli nebisumu ime na pathway machine
kile siku ya Jumanne chinsa ni bere chamuragoba wika chinsa isato asomurobere oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura saberemi chinigongoro ka petrol machine
asomurobere boberemi nobotugi ime Yensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV egeta sena mbeyemo aseliro baliagusi aiga no mugusi yakwa yulibaga na konyara kwabaga gotegereru ase chinse 24 asa matuko atanabera seiki mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheito ibere chiagusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyare kwa batoko genda ase bali chinse mo chire isiko yagusi sichinse mo bune chana kuru mwancho muligereri elitonyara kwa batoko wa omugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyara kwa koigwewa na nene mono ntonyare kwa batoko so asichinse mo Childoret no mugusi ora asichinse mo Childoret nera nyara kwa koigwewa mwancho muligereri ntonyare kwa batoko genda ase bali barasa masamba bune chinse mo chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale enuletie tunyare kwa batoko ireke gusioro no mugusi anyare kwa bagako iwegwa asenchera enkeranu chisemo chia Mombasa ntonyare kwa batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyare kwa bagako iwegwa asenchera enkeranu aiga omwancho muligereria segeta seni ya Soko TV no botochi kwa batoko kora ige korugie ko tunyare kwa batoko gekora asenchera bwenerete mwancho muligereri aiga ntokoreri ibina nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino mwancho muligereri tunyara kwa batogo koraleria okorali kwa nyagosira asenchira ebwenerete Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
kera kama tingatara daiketa oni ya Nyamira na lena shauri sangwe ngararo moijana umotu batera mabwari muligereri bwa Ensoko TV oyo no moroberio bwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au turabe tukumira na kira litukurie iki guchakira chinsa 11 chamogoroba wikenseyemo yabotuko kugwakorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabokire orosete uikaransitero yawo buyanda chitasekerugo orambulete mirundo kunyagusibero ngori nari ase screen ne chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwanu bukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to amereria bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
eye Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
Karibu rendo murigereria asense mwiga ya gatatu mambia bono akero keritu kwane na kurigereria ya gandira tukura se county ya Nyamira kirogo nkeria kyaba subati ne kirogo erikomondi akero keria kwigwa gukwana erikomondi agorata ne kirogo kinkikani irikobo it is waste of resources ekero kibo governor nkikani irikobo tobune chirije ni chike chonsi ipi na chwa twarige chiri chinkoro totware region ya mubuna matemarekani okonyora na estate ya na bengani ense ya Kenya gosenusu so nigaga nitiene ibiro ke byonsi pia bebo wakilishwa bangi no senate bugabara bimu byonsi twa chirijo ni nane kwanza igolende kiroge kerende bagachaka gusuma no mete jani sina bagandira to gusuma sana ge chirende kerusi gwaroro inyarekane totebe na yanyarekane na kerusi gwaroro emirimo lende iga no kabwaterende gose no nyara kurwa bakora ligochia se aba Nyamira
tiancha kengo tewaiga anki kiroge kialeta tuise seli litangani gekogera twarure to ngotema tuli kurwali ese pasubati batabwateki riogi
wikirani 2/3 gender rule
eyi ibere ya isatu nali na ntuli ogi turi akoreki raigwekane gali getararusiwa ntobwate gasi enene sana gosukia abasubati baito banyare kwegena abasubati aso basubati okwira na ikerore getino musacha basacha mbako bolinga umukungu ina gwa gataliri tukulima kuboli chikora ngayo musacha wakoreki ali maite elebo gekorosi kubune meseye abasubati banyore libaga ryo kuboli chikura muna basacha bako boli ryo linto gotwara maana yekeruge kasali bungi lakini esere bono iga ntora egwa egetikere nganaine togochesera umupira kogera inse gocha bono iga oche igali egeti oche kolete manifesto yao buna yo morali na inche meri omegiro niche kocha kolete manifesto na gekero kende tuorichi manifesto paka saa 3 ya utuko paka saa 4
nane etoka nene yago ni gere ngia mono bado
bado lakini okubonga mukungu yo buno risko paka saa 4 ngayo musacho
noli boronge boli
noli okora ngokara okorobo kembi bono jise chine ngo gotoka isiko iko bado ntore ikira eleveli abakungu tu moto elibaga moto support mori eno no mukungu mori geliki obongo bwito
lakini asega team ntubiri robot rwanadiko rugane tiwikirania 2/3 gender rule negative ebintebyo
yes
ne nyare kana bono
romu njaga jitwese selitukelimu kona gosukitole nene nkona go waka tole koko ngake rorocha bakungu mukungu atenene mpina wa musacha mwara tema kwa baswata no butu wiki na mbeli arali igali
kwaro chedonya wiranire boncha
which is very good I'm happy I'm proud of ngati yaga ndakoreki atuo manina na eni nche meri omegiro sekondigereri myake menge ya itire myake meronge 15 years indi Facebook ya chagete kwa mora iweru some of you 2008 nalina joined to Facebook for a long time na alikoroka na Kitutu Masabas finest na tegete nchiko boli ekerogo aria Kitutu
iko bwango naye kwa minyoka nene ngoko
kanga ngoko na aliko yiminyo kibobe alafu nkamana korobo soko bwachire Nyamira gale nche no monto nyibwiro gokwana esa abantu abange gokwana na umugonto mabunge nchinkwane na ara aligereri Nyamira ito nagusi basubaito weto no kwera nanka muswada kanda libunge bakwane chikamera chikumurigete pune chimomurigerete igaiga tindarura na aro rubo soko Nyamira yabere for a very long time ngaratiga Kitutu Masaba was my calling ngaratiga toranyorosha Nyamira yetu turayebeka same up who knows osininche ndawo mukungu mutangani kuru Nyamira ko be governor
okay nekero tukwanirigiro ya musubati osaba subati wesokya ase oburayi oboiga konyorora na basubati mbali bwate chinguru basubati mbali bwate chibesa basubati mbali bamanye tugukwana abasubati mbali na nabo bakora ange mna bali bachorirwa bange babekero bekire nyone na ase bunge eria nene no chikubiburukani nabake sana ogocha kwanyora nango kwana barase bunge eria nene nonyere miswada bange mbali gocha baire miswada agochore myaka 5 hero ikalia otunia okira emyaka yaera oirana na ando boli na ndira nyone ne ntunda ya kabire soko nyora nyone ne miswada kuire miswada gali bakwana number 1 baire miswada emeja gose ba propose ama onchireria ase miswada na machika ali ara ase bunge abange babo bali gochi bakora gentekeiga gochakira sense eme yabaswati gochakira nsa kwanza mbali bati besa bali bamaye tukukwana bakwenyara gochi lakini mbali ko wesokya eri banyare gwesoya ase obrai nabo gokorera sense eme yago na ine muswado kiyo nubwate no nyina oyo muracho ikiali otebe nje uru muswati kuri county ya Nyamira nintage umuswado na rombwate inkane tibuna babunge mumbwate si oete okonya abanyamira nense yonsi ya Kenya gose maunchiri ya seri chikogete
asante tiancha akero maide kwa mboli question isano
limo
tiancha muchu guchubutora no mwalimu nde by the way
yes
nonya na summit after college tiancha akerega abasubati kusukiri liogiri abali bunge tinda kuwa na Nyamira yoka na gusiri yoka mwaroche ka Karen Nyamwa agambete na agambete ga senate ekabobo soko banene inchemero migiro na abasubati bandi no twalenge goroga ali mwatorocha se TV tokotema gukwa wakere go kugikelia amangana ali yakwa ni tero musubati kero no musubati utakira se bunge gali atete agitere chi right cha basubati nakubarwanirira agaikamwaro chiminta kuonete obosoko banene sana nkamana go expecting abasubati bali bacholire bali bunge already babwate platform wenene ntoma ate platform yeto nenke mbonto kana okoraki
oyo nyorira kabaka nigaganire ko gatumekenya
buya ibukwe batebanga bali muwairwe binge ne binge mbigane eri birwese esemule tima yo sembe ya night na kwa nakuruge songo chike busi na baye ukwana higo. So I expected abasubati bali bunge babo jerusha bache babo donya toto bakwana babo milode ambo babo bagikelinga umusubati watu sokiri resign karwega asie tu isenerity timbarochi tindo chino no yo manene ona aboti abasubati tuwacholete bunge ngaibole kiri bintu bine bibe okaraki
asese muyende urateba na bwangu mbagikiriti bakenyo na resign egwoncho kebena bono gwachakire kurwanya umusubati omino
ndo kumarwani ekebe nekebe unyekere black unyekere ke mwamu neke mwamu
mangana yo kwenye kutuntuba bana
yo kumeka kutunde no montono yo say mtu wetu enaro ya kirikenye say ekiringa mtu wetu utari go perform it's question kwangani sana kwa ngonziro riyo igaba subati mbatekere eliyogiri yabo like kerekere kebe tukwane kebe kwa mana kombolinga ninche ko ndali bunge already nangere kokara kondisi kumotarambe karali muranga nguru ngonso bunge gali gona chite ngakwe bichali bunge isikunko gosabira ngamone none tianso imanya mire koreki emese
kugoro gwatiyeri wano gotache
ebona ngaendali kugoro ku motanga kugoro kunso ime bati mutuni ngo na goshekyo nde mali ngoteba iga musoda kinda koreki inda sukingo koreki ngoswali ngumi miswada ne menge tiancha kiro yo moyole meya nkoro yane sana abana baitu bayiboire no balema bali konyora mabaga aisaina ale nganaine n'abantu bande kera bakoyegwa kigasi linda bakora company chikoliye charanga toko mulikoyo nabata perform n'abande because mino obuno bwobolewu bayiboire na barobu ninyika ali bunge tuchitete muswada bwokoa chi company chikuleka abana baitu bobwato obolewu nabera be ebange butoire nabera be some incentive chile government era aro chiri chinge koba enge koba encourage koba sukia balika abana baito bakoleki banyole kigasi muswado kabere amwako liyo era nkarra aba mama baito bakolie bonus yechai abantu bakare bakanya tugoraki echai ntu abange echanero yansometi nakarolie bonus kegocha my parents batu wakanire fisi umwako mugima wono tinga kiyalinga important otari ko seligwa yakore fisi yakaniruki umwako mugima pono yekero baikoyo bakonyora 60 shillings kg okoranya sanga nyiga liseino 13 gari nyankoba 10 tombali ne bayane 16 yankoba risma momenta kuire chai 14 bometro gorogali 50 60 ngayo bakongole yecha yeterembe nkara ababunge baito bakwana kwanero iliko ne knee jerk reaction ngeke knee jerk reaction ko kweke gusi ndebyango
abekera no kweligelia
ngabaka suka kego alafu yakoraki ikapoa na ine coffee the same thing enoro chinga gashogwa gukwanira ekagwa so
agasingira abantu beriro bali
ngabano singire ko gusiye cyane ne kawa ndetonte yoyo mukyo muraria ko interact na bange
mugeni umasena talinde takwana
alafu nkiye kaba agasukiarali nkiya sugetu so these are some of the things intagite kuira umuswada bwe cyane coffee juto wite cyane coffee twaitira bagusi ngaki abana baito bakosoma na kibono mweto butaka bwabera abange oko ende meeting wakora manifesto bakuboni akimuralinga kwako mo shimwa ngaki watutike and for sure you see butaka mboraro linde butaka bole series ngenjo bategete ko serumano sengenjo yake yo butaka bole inka so nyeto gwite economy yagusi nabo tokogendera ogoseroko ngo chikoera ju butaka mboraro na tebi muswado yo nyende muswado na tebirebere tiante bayo gatatu young mothers yabalikire bari gasi ndiro konyoro kwende gasi kwatigo mwana urwarite kwatigo mwana watikera omokoreri omunyia uri gasi lakini nkore kuna gwitanga kyumwana uri nakoraki na mutiganga
kwa bitere mako wachi kubika CCTV nyomba rero konya komoni kire
yani kwikaransiga kuna
kugira uno konya komoni tanesimi
na nje na beti CCTV tiga bana bakine bakinde mbweto bwoba kerekera nkoreki ndi asegas nto onye motete to produce 100% bina basacha to support pia ingende umuswadi onde okoteba nga twanchere moto libagaga ali asegas nabo akarumu gasinini onye mwana kaigwete bogo sinye buri ko ibwire kigimo gose 1 month mabere bada gwiteka no legasi osinye gokore gasi onye mogo twanje sali bakwenyara baleta abana babo gali babugate nani kulendo mwana magegagali nyako nyara break time ndoro mwana omogonkyo irana some countries have done that ngitu twakorera boyiko
aiga to konyara guchana mwana mirimo
to kubutu kenda ogatana wacha ne gasi mwana kenda bananera na story onye tutekere support abangina bakine teto ba support ki wholesale bakine pia ni Yesu ki wicharali ali bunge ni Yesu ki pia muswele kintara tentara ne menge mbwate ntakete gusuki ne yende ne rokora nga ya pen wakoraki kwasuki uchangi tinte etiko chikobo muswati oli ogochikoba bungali abasacha bakwana bakungu bakwana from other parts kwa mana gochoroka watanga I vote yes kwa mana kwere nko wabo nke umukungu oyo gento lwa vote yes nko mana nko vote yes atujui tumanyiti
asenge incha bange mbari gocha basoma
pona ende moko ngali bakayinsoma tere nsoma nende mbwate ankoro yogusuki
twira na list twachakira bonona abange mbabwate nibo mbabwate ali bagali okora lakini mbaranyara gwesoke bakirete barabu
enda aguno abakongwito bole aguno abakongwito bonene bore nara aligererie abantu tulegetie na barabu besogeti kero bwesogeti notakere piore sera abantu ngi uchiko bakorera notakere ko nyara platform muna aka mwangere nsoka I'm forever grateful mwangere intakere ntumiri bagamneli ngere sera abantu baitongi to tega janga ngakiria nomination nkoli yobo besege ngo akabantu na akabantu sinjo mbwateki enibo timbwati nibo by the way na akabantu bakoleki banga kirichiko but nana ko bate manifesto mama ngetinki intenene mama ngeti moko na ngene interview intene mutu yabantu ntebenga I Mary Omegiro from Nyamira have this to say because ntubwati bole mura kintubwateki chibesa tuwatore chi clone ga ali parliament chi clone seke gusiga akinkonya
abantu batamaite gukwana tateba
yani bichiklo yani go batamaite gukwana parabu mwama ngocha mwatebanga ngaki Nyamira mangite mukungu Nyamira ntana gukwa mwarocho ukwana karuge campaign mukamana ko machora mwamuruchi na tende muntu akabe manifesto mukaye critic mukaye bolia maswali muganchirana nero
bali bagukwana abange egotebekana guseni go moko bakwa useni moko bekwe bicheli naki nuko barabali twa mangana abambaliga bagweta iga bona twamanyire siasa yense yabo kenege bagochikokora no gutongaine barega iga singencho bali gutaka muntu gukwana mono muno gukwana mono muno gendera to gusali mono ebatege to muntu toererete ukirete bwekanyete
bagoteba in silence it hides so much eso gukira gwaito to biseteki obongira banda akrise Johnson ogete na banda akrise njo mutu ono empty na banda akrise njo no bo
nekero gukwana
you get to know me nabokumanya muswati nabatamate ntakwana nabagucho botokoregas nabochote na Mary Omegiro likwenge TV yenso koko eresranga no iri muswada mumutwe ngayibona muswadi oyuli bona nyambali gukwana ngaki abantu banyamira bagucha gochora and itindara baswati beto bagukwana yeah it's something maybe you guys need to invite all of us iga kero monta awoni mo manifesto kero abakenya bonse barori aba nyamira bonse barori
asense moyende asoko bwaterana abana ba MCA abana ba MP bo gavana ba senate na bale barobisi muchano no role se county ya Nyamira and of course nkwaye kwandira kare lakini eliko kali ya sense meyo na kiura chikwene kinango bwaterana nole na baraya bonse singencho ngakire kwa rero mu wakilishi bwabangina agukwana guchia umugavana okwana guchimwina ere ni gagutara guseni gakogenda agutara ko bukukuria ategitanyo robo konye karuche na ai astay moko genda nere bugu stay mukwira na nere guchimoino astay murachi gukonyana nigo agukubwato kalimo lyoka igeminiti na nigatanganiti guseni gabwato bwinche gwetani gokorera bali bamochorete emirimo kubwaterana usubwa amatubuya nabarayibande
obwinche bwakorire Nyamira obwinche obubugo kwanga kubwaterana kiro monta ago tete enda yayi tiange ndese serikali kiane chenge marange whatever give an example echenge something ngira abantu baito neche ndikira abana neche nkorreki tweba abantu bali bakorete ki batocho
neke ni lazima obe serikali umanya konyora amagendero
teli lazima obe serikali umanya konyora amagendero
lakini kwegure kurunyamira bagotebana ni gonda serikali asinginchunga netie gukama gento getera abantu
ngoteba iga enu constitution yachite echa korwalia oborwaire walibwa watangala weikoba asaki ese serikali umao karaki umakonyora amagendero oborwaire obu mbora bwena buya yani it has not fully been cured kekogera korwali oborwaire obu gavana kai kuchibesa MP kaigwa chibesa chai na bwateli umu women na bwati chibesa na abantu bali ba BMC piamba bwate agakite kabo bono onye toire chibesa echo chitwairwe twachitumire gokorera abantu baito igasi
lero iga etokanena gwachoriwe oreseme kwa mire serikali asese mire serikali bakwe ofengia nokane sodi
ofa yokora kiye gokora abantu nyemire
we sodi gote guna kia kantu ka onkari guchimwino gano chokane
yokora abantu nyemire gase kinde tikwe ofa yokora abantu nyemire gase
yofa ne chinyinge igono igweta inki minute asenge abange bachori bayikira obisi igaringe seme kwa mire serikali oikari ote guna ki akantu ka onkari guchimwino ga kwamanya guchincho koboko bono kwanywera bone serikali meburungi
tigante bega
asenge chenyo kwa lengo position ekero kwa liko ligekero gekiga bone kero gwa mwino kwena ne bana sense meliende
tigante bega ikikonsa na gitri democracy se country ito ekero nacho liri buno monto nyamira nacho nogo sisire kwa abantu banyamira ekero nkenda bunge gali abantu ngo ku represent na abantu banyamira ekero mo serikali de kondangilia nseme ngechibese pass maybe a finance bill eri agata abana baito bakakwa then I'm not there. I'm not going to be in that part because abantu banyamira which boss cyane remember none bocho kongira ni ekerugo wasibambute ende enkoro yani timetinga kinda eresere paka monyunga enkoro yani eri nyamira ime
okay
anything ingokora tini motivated ne chibese ngwakanwa my motivation nyamira koirana asemap igobana nyengo so serikali yende nyamira konyeke then that is it but yenye motaita nso serikali nganalia abana ba minto baranyole chigasi nalinda drive big cars tenjo gabo nkoro yanere nyamire mese nyamira kwa basemap
okay asoko kolra top 3 priorities chiago usiwa bachoryo bonene uchia somo nyamira top 3 priorities miliyoro chote togocha guikirania yani ugo sabana lituko lirora kenyore iga
nambe
asama tukali mukorate bana ama tukemia matangani
timayusemia matukemia na nyolo mshahara but singo tebe nambe yemu intakere ko elevate youths baito mba bigger platform yoko increase the skill yabo bali batasomete bakole abo bwate this mothers young mothers to buy skill can be tailoring, can be baking, can be wood, can be ntaras ngenda gago ese teangira ne magazine igoromba tebetenga chibesencho chikwenda uchi vocation training centers chiyo yondata ta macro muswado yo macro so some of the things no ko increase vocation training centers ya those women who are dropped out of school bakaba young mothers so youths young mothers na youths will go to university and colleges to give them a bigger platform. You increase their talent to increase the information stage. Isa bakonyora ko connect to the outside world.
Number one.
Number 1. Number 2 ni kolega sina batakano n'abantu bali with disabilities. Ni ndigiri enchera yo kuba empower. It can be through more trainings, grants, and like I said, public participation will help me get there. Number 3, ili atakerebe number 1. I'll hold count-wide kind of workshops tuligelinga mbiri bibira atakira na binda atakira ngokole oranya the grant vitu tofauti sana well that will be number 1 hizi ngine number 2 and 3
okay
yes
mbia mano haso usanga tu asangire matumutinyokia na ngwadi mititore abana moino University of Nyamira nyamoko na ki
nyamokonya zate teni
watu mwana ugo chako iralia
timbua ndibona matene I'm a mom to all the Nyamira people
okay
wana yenimbua to mwana nkwiraro but
kenyokia ndangwa admit to yari
na roach for starters na datinga ekoros una defense under the amend what na itenerete ugo chenga kwa gali bakatabang bararu 500 million 500 million abana bago somutinyo kyando ikomi na ina blocks inchira koraki nchiraira go tukwira bana asabise tataraira tuaba realistic nchomna nje project manager specialist na bango atinge kitoko nyoro tuwakole imetinyire ngetutegariti
okay.
So na hata kere abe realistic hata ngaki I'm giving you excitement kidogo we are hoping that mutinyuke no nyale kintoko nyayairi but we are looking at next year and the next 2 years as abe ready abana baito basoma.
Okay. Sekunde niko michoka kwanera Munyamira bwana.
Munyamira nchemeri omegiro na kirase muri no bwororo bonene ngo basororanga mongeli baga tiukora Nyamira bune women rep ngo boliande women bwa Nyamira kuri chama ya Jubilee ko batikere mwangere libaga eliogiri ya Nyamira ndiwekane gali ese parliament eliogiri ino ndiwekane gali sabarai ninteme kobeka barai bonse amo ba Nyamira totigo kurwana ko kwabere semya kemengi tokole tubeke Nyamira mutwe tokole chi project kirakonya abanyamira bonse ninge nesa abasai nabana baisike bali batigirye school nchera babayeta madasese emyaka emeke ko ba skill eyu era nyale ko babikera indagera semesa ninkole gasi nabarai bali mocholete gali chief chibaraza insali kubeka chibaraza chi akabero kale to deal amana kuna gender based violence ukurwana kuli gwanka tuatwele case chinene cyabana bayitwe femicide bune case yake kyabeta nyakongo gali ne case kelenge kukolelia amono ntoira na ali toira ne school kosomia abana bayito counseling elitu wakasomire kale abana bayito banyale gokonyo ese counseling kuru kera barabake nali bagukina banyale go avoid early pregnancies kera mwangere bageli Nyamira to nene nemese nenyira ni ese map ibintu ne bingenda akole lakini gangachi deka isatu na atigere gagu ndiyamo
Munyamono mwacho mo ligeria soko sanga tu asangire mambya ya bono no muchagano bado 27 nare manginare tuganirwo kwarira gatia buna tokonya gusika gochia bosyoge gendera gotengere mirobende atigere ase hit kolima kolende chinsa 10 ningirane na yande amange amajasekira yubwi ritariane Ishmael Moge.
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bumugusi.